Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove Ask Meta AI from Messenger. So let's get started. So now here we are in Messenger, and then as you can see right here in our search bar, it has Ask Meta AI in it, which is a new feature here in the Meta apps like Messenger and Facebook. So if you would want to remove this, unfortunately there is no legit way in the app that would let you completely disable it or such, but you can delete the conversation or you can just mute the conversation if you would want to. So I'm just gonna type something in here right there, and then I'm gonna go here, and then basically you can just long press on your conversation. You can delete this just like that, or you can just mute the conversation. So these are your best options here if you don't want the Meta AI in your app right here, but you don't have a complete way of deleting or removing this from your app. So there would be a few workaround if you would really don't want to use Meta AI on your app, which is to just use the outdated version. So you must not use the latest version in order for you to not have Meta AI on your app, or you could just downgrade your app, but it would require you to download the app from malicious websites or external websites, which is unsafe because it might leak your data. And if you haven't updated your Messenger or Facebook app yet into the latest version, then just don't update it so that you won't have the Meta AI feature on your app. So that is basically it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.